Well, guys, if you're looking for the perfect protein smoothie that's going to help you lose weight, hit your protein goals, and keep you satiated and full longer, and the best part, it doesn't require a protein powder. I've got this smoothie for you. This is a 4-berry smoothie using Greek yogurt. We're going to be using egg whites instead of a protein powder. These are pasteurized, perfectly safe. You won't even know they're in there. They actually give it a nice fluffy, nice texture to the smoothie. We're using, like I said, an avocado. We're using 4 organic berries, the raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, and blackberry. And then we're going to be using cinnamon, vanilla. As a sweetener, we're using allulose. Allulose is also shown to help reduce type 2 diabetes by giving you a little satiated feeling. This is amazing how this works. Also has been shown to improve healthy microbiota. Now I'm using raw kefir. You can use any kind of milk or milk alternatives, whatever suits your needs. And then of course, the Greek yogurt, like I said, it's a fat-free yogurt. I like the full fat, but I just can't beat this deal. It's 18 grams of protein, 2/3 of a cup. Very simple, perfect ingredients from Costco. You can't beat it. It's a no-brainer. And then of course, like I said, everything else, simple and easy. We have Hemp Heart. It's going to add an additional 10 grams of protein. The smoothie I'm making today is over 50 grams of protein. And I tell you, when I drink this, I am full for a long time. I've actually had to tweak it down a little bit, not adding the chia and the flax in because I just had no appetite for such a long duration. I wasn't able to hit my goal when it comes to protein. Ideally, you should be hitting a gram of protein for your ideal body weight. So if you weigh, like me, 205 pounds, I try to hit 205 grams of protein every day. And believe it or not, that can be quite challenging. So without further talking, let's make this smoothie. Here we're going to add 1 cup of egg whites. This is roughly 26 grams of protein, but feel free to adjust this accordingly to your protein needs. For a female, you would need probably about half of this. Now here we're adding 2/3 of a cup of organic Greek yogurt. This is going to give me 18 grams of protein. Feel free to use a full fat, but please stay away from flavored and sweetened. Here I'm using 1 cup of a 4-berry blend, 1/2 of an avocado, 2 tablespoons of heart hemp. This adds an additional 10 grams of protein. We're going to use vanilla extract. This is really just to flavor. Use as much as you want. Now here I'm going to use organic cinnamon. Use as much as you want to your taste. This is roughly about 2 teaspoons. And then, of course, 6 to 8 ounces of any kind of milk or milk alternative. Of course, I'm using raw kefir. I'm using about 1.5 tablespoons of the allulose, and I also like it very sweet. Sometimes I'll even add an additional amount of stevia. Now, blend this as much as you would like. Sometimes I blend it a little chunky. Sometimes I blend it very fine. Today I'm going to add a few more ice cubes and a little water just to make it a little thicker and colder, but this is a personal preference. Do it what suits your needs. So guys, if you're looking for that perfect, nutrient-dense, high-protein smoothie that's going to help you meet your goals, keep you full, and help you lose weight all at the same time, this is it. Simple, easy ingredients, no protein powder required. Everything you can get at any grocery store. So I'm going to leave you as I often do. Keep healthy living right. So yummy. I promise, you eat this, you'll want it more and more. So good.